Hello friends, this is Dr. Aditi Jain and you all are welcome back to my YouTube channel ज्ञान वारिधि। आज हम 2 जुलाई 2021 के करंट अफेयर्स को डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। Recently, who has been awarded the highest civilian honor of Mongolia? This award has been received by R.K. Samarwal. He is Chairman and Managing Director of Engineers India Limited, and he has been honored with the highest civilian award of Mongolia, namely the Order of Polar Star by His Excellency. He got the credit of establishing first ever oil refinery in Mongolia. PM Modi would interact with the beneficiaries of Digital India on July 1st. It was launched by PM Narendra Modi in which year? This has been launched by our Honorary Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2015. Name India's ambassador to China who presented translated version of 10 peerless collections of modern Indian literature to SCO Secretary General. This has been done by Vikram Misri. Atmanirbhar Krishi app to equip farmers with agricultural insights and weather alerts has been launched by whom recently? It has been launched by K. Vijay Raghavan, Principal Scientific Advisor of Government of India on 30th June 2021, and this app is available in 12 languages. Who inaugurated loading operation on maiden voyage of coastal shipping service recently? This has been inaugurated by Mansukh Mandaviya, Union Minister of State for Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways. World Bank provided how much amount to Bangladesh to boost rural economy? This amount is $300 million. Jacob Zuma, who has been sentenced to 15 months in jail, is the former president of which country? He is the former president of South Africa, and South Africa's highest court has sentenced jail to him for failing to appear at a corruption inquiry. Air India is planning to operate international flights as part from Gannavaram International Airport at Vijayawada. SEBI has approved a proposal to introduce a framework for accredited investors. Its headquarters is in Mumbai. Who has won gold medal in women's 25-meter pistol event at International Shooting Sport Federation ISSF World Cup shooting in Osijek, Croatia? This has been won by Rahi Sarnobat. Which country has certified malaria-free by the World Health Organization after 70 years of efforts to eradicate malaria? This country is China. Who has been awarded the Fukuoka Grand Prize for 2021? This award has been received by a journalist Pelagumi Sainath. This award is one of Japan's top awards open to people from all Asian countries for investigating impoverished farming villages in India, listening to voices from the rural population. Fukuoka Prize have 3 categories: Academic Prize, Culture Prize and Grand Prize. World Social Media Day is observed on which date? This is observed on 30th June. This was first celebrated by Mashable on June 30th, 2010 to highlight how it has emerged as a key tool for communication. When is National Statistics Day celebrated? It is celebrated on 29th June on the birth anniversary of late Professor Prashant Chandra Mahalanobis, who is often known as Father of Indian Statistics. India's first biodiversity park, Bharat Vatika, has been inaugurated in which state? This has been inaugurated in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand Forest Department has developed this park over 1 acre land in Haldwani Forest Research Center in Nainital district, showcasing different tree species from across the country. In which city will face scanner be used to detect coronavirus? It will be used in Abu Dhabi. Who has written the book Policy Makers Journal from New Delhi to Washington DC? This book has been written by Kaushik Basu. He is an economist who was chief economist of World Bank for 7 years. Which state has decided to renovate Jog Falls? This state is Karnataka. Recently, critically endangered barking deer has been sighted in Varachi National Park in which country? This country is Cambodia. Who has become the new special director of CBI? This is Praveen Sinha. He was additional director CBI and now he has been appointed as new special director of CBI. This post was earlier held by Rakesh Asthana. Which company will invest rupees 75,000 crore in next 3 years to create a new clean energy business? This company is Reliance. And in order to fuel its commitment to be net carbon neutral by 2035, this company will invest this amount of money. Which company has appointed Jeremy Castle as grievance officer for India? Twitter has appointed California-based Jeremy Castle as grievance officer for India. Dharmendra Chatur has resigned from his post on Sunday and after him Jeremy Castle has been appointed at this post. India Ratings has estimated India's GDP growth rate to be what percent in financial year 2021 to 22? This estimated percentage is 9.6%. Who has recently been honored with the Spanish Princess of Austria's Literature Award? This award has been received by Emmanuel Carrere. He is a French author and who is popular for his non-fiction books in a high literary vein. Who has written the book Fiercely Female, the Duty Chand Story recently? This book has been written by Sandeep Mishra and is published under the banner of Westland Sports. This book captures Duty Chand's legal battle against the 2014 ban, her struggle to garner support at home and her focus on Tokyo Olympics. Recently, who has become the new chairman of National Dairy Development Board? Minesh C. Shah has joined as a chairman on 1st June 2021. Earlier, this post was held by Ms. Varsha Joshi and from 1st December 2020 to 31st May 2021. Which is the first state in the country to provide facility of genome sequencing recently? This state is Rajasthan. Facility for genome sequencing has been started in SMS Medical College in Jaipur, thus making Rajasthan the first state to have its own genome sequencing lab. And this has been done under the guideline of the CM of the state Ashok Gehlot. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा. अगर आपको मेरे वीडियोस अच्छे लगते हैं, मेरे एफर्ट्स आपको पसंद आते हैं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर माय चैनल. थैंक यू.